Hey guys, Nick here again from Quick Tech, and let me know if this ever happened to you. You go to work, you commute an hour, 40 minutes just to get there, you step foot in the door and you realize, shit, I forgot my earbuds. Well, today we're going to be reviewing the $7.99 earbud that we all see in pharmacies across the country, and we're going to see if they're any good. Stay tuned. Okay, so these were $7.99. I bought them because I forgot my daily drivers in my bag or something at home. So I was stuck buying these, so let's unbox them and see what the unboxing experience is like, shall we? So popping it open from here, it does have a remote, but it is one button. So the cable is just a mess, they couldn't even afford to put a tie on them. And obviously no interchangeable earbuds. You're not going to get those for $7.99. And I actually am surprised that this does have a built-in microphone as well as a play-pause button. I doubt we're going to get any track skip capability, but we'll see. Earbuds feel pretty nice. I mean, they're obviously cheap plastic. And the cable is not the worst I've seen, although I think I am going to be missing that 90-degree angle cable that I've been spoiled with for quite a few years now. Other than that, I mean, it's a black-silver design, no indication as to which one is left or right, so I'm hoping that they at least produce stereo sound and not just mono, outputting the same channels in both ears. But we'll see. We'll go left and right, and let's pop them into the iPhone and see how awful they sound. Who knows? They could be a home run. Now again, for $7.99, this is really the emergency pair of earbuds. If you forget your daily ones at home or elsewhere, you lose them on the train, you need something just to get you through that work day, then, I mean, you have to keep that in mind. This is what we're looking for. The important things for me are, do they play sound? Is it stereo? And is it not terrible? So, let's see. Music's about to kick in. Oh, wow. These are fine. I did have to play with the tip a bit, careful, to get better sound. I guess it wasn't making a full connection here. However, once I got it dialed in, the sound is fine, especially for $8. I mean, I've reviewed $20 headphones that sound as good as this pair, so it is bassy. It is a bassy sound. It's not as muffled or tinny as I expected, to be honest. And the soundstage is incredibly surprising. This specific track has cymbals going left and right in different places in the studio, and you hear them as they were intended to be. As I increase the volume, there is some distortion or clipping that you can find, but I don't think I'd be listening to it this loud. Yeah, as you increase the volume to full blast, it does get distorted. That is a fact. However, at about 25 to 50% volume level, the audio is fine. Let's try some spoken word. See how that sounds. Yeah, podcasts are fine as well. All in all, I'm impressed. For $7.99 as an emergency pair, this is a no-brainer. This is the Infinitive Metal Earbuds with Inline microphone. I hardly speak to anyone, so we're not going to test out the Inline mic. I don't speak to anyone in real life, let alone on the phone. So if you pick those up and you test the mic, let me know down below in the comments how it sounds. All in all, for $7.99, these are a definite win as a backup pair. Keep them in your bag, and again, they rival sound quality of earbuds I've tested on this channel that were around $25. So for $8, you're not missing much. Pick them up.